We're here at CES 2024, which means we're getting our first hands-on looks at the new LG OLED TVs. We have the M4 wireless OLED and the G4 OLED behind me. Let's go take a closer look. In previous years, we focused all of our attention on the G series and C series OLED TVs, but LG has returned with its wireless OLED technology in the M4 OLED, establishing a new breakdown, as I'd like to call it, of the offerings for this year. Essentially, the G4 and M4 sit side by side with all the latest gen features and MLA tech, with the major difference between the two being design. Though it's no longer called the Gallery series, the G4 has a super sleek design. It's meant to be mounted flush to the wall, though for the first time, the 55-inch and 65-inch sizes will come with a multi-positional stand. The M4 also has a very premium looking design, but all the components are offloaded into the Zero Connect box that sits separately from the TV and transmits a 4K 144Hz signal natively as validated by NVIDIA. The Zero Connect box impressed us last year, so the wow factor has kind of worn off, but it's still fascinating to see that you can have this ultra clean cable-free TV setup. The M4 also comes in a 65-inch size, which the M3 did not, which is telling me that LG hopes the wireless pitch is more approachable this year. LG said the M4 and G4 are 150% brighter than the B series, and while they didn't get into specific nits, they said it will be above 2,100 nits, and the company is expecting the TVs to be the brightest OLED TVs on the market. That's obviously a big claim that we're going to have to test for ourselves later this year. In terms of software, the TVs run the latest version of webOS. We're looking at it on the C4, but it's the same on the G4 and M4. There aren't too many noteworthy updates other than now you can create up to 10 individual profiles for customized content recommendations and even have a customized home screen that now shows the most recently watched content, which is way more convenient than it was set up before. These LG TVs will also be the first to be eligible for 5 years of webOS upgrades. Whether that's actually long enough considering how expensive these TVs will be, what do you think? LG will be giving us the full breakdown of price and availability later this year, but for now, I'd love to know what you think. Let me know in the comments of this video. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're at CES 2024 all week, bringing you the latest news from Las Vegas. Also, check out what we're doing on social at Tom's Guide, and as always, I'm at Kate Kozich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.